Welcome back, fellas, to this new video of Tech Express. So if your primary drive is Red Lightning and you've got a brand new SSD, it is time to migrate, right? So I'm going to be showing you how to add a second library, move 1 or 20 games at once. So to add first destination, you need to open your Steam account. You need to head for the settings that usually can be found directly into your Opera site. You have the Steam, View, Friends, Games, Help. I look out for Steam. I check for the option that says settings. Directly into settings, if your new drive isn't listed, you want to look out for the option that says storage. Into storage, I want to look out for the option that says here, the 3 dots, and to the upper side where you have the local drive, I select it and I go for add the drive. Now, a few security notes that I can give you is that nowadays Windows 11 might ask for a Face ID or the fingerprint scan here to authorize the storage volume modification. Just scan this and proceed. Now, I select the actual new drive, which says let me choose another location. I hit for add and it will be popping up this new element where you can find your new local disk. Select your local disk and look out for select the actual folder. So basically what you can do is that you can now transfer the files. Since this is a local copy, it doesn't use the internet bandwidth. So what you need to do is to type here into the items that you would like to put into the new drive. So select them here into the checkboxes marks and look out for the option that says move. So once again, this doesn't use the internet bandwidth, so the process is actually going to be really fast. Now, if you get an error, for example, like a Windows boot sometimes gates storage during high-speed moves, what you can do, if a move fails halfway, just right-click the game, like this, and you can look out for the actual properties, like this. Now here, basically what's going to happen, you want to make sure that you can click into the verify element to make sure that this actually works really great. And now, of course, the integrity of game files, this will fix in any corrupted sections. Sometimes this happens, sometimes it doesn't. In my case, into the updates, everything looks correctly. There's the size of installation. I've hit to verify the integrity of the actual files, and one file successfully validated. So in my case, this should be making the actual process really fast. So once you have finished with this process, you can now start playing some actual games and you're actually good to go. So your games are now into the new drive and ready to play, so there's no re-download required and you're actually good to go. If your drive is still showing up as a read-only, you want to watch more videos of the troubleshooting videos, you can let me know to the comments below if you wanted to check out, you wanted to make us do that video for you guys. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. What are some more great tools like this? Thank you so much for watching the video, and hopefully can I'll see you all next time.